Okay, now it's your try. I'm going to give you multiple examples to try and lots of extras that are sitting here. You will see a couple of examples on the screen, and you're going to calculate what I've written in. So number one, I want you to try, pause the video and try number one. We'll come back and get the answer. Okay, on number one, Henry scored 48 points in 8 games. Question out here says how many in 12 games? So I just wrote that in. What's your x? So you're going to cross multiply and solve. So 8x, that's those two, equals 48 times 12. 48 times 12 is 576 divided by 8. X equals 72. 72 what? Well, if the games is a game, 72 points is the answer. You can try that. There's the answer right there. I'm sorry, you couldn't see the math. 72 points. And so any of these other answers that you see right here, question 2 through 6, you can try any of those. And if you're struggling with those, get somebody to help you with those. Those are basic proportions. Now, here's what we're going to do next. On this next one, I'm going to give you a couple of percents. I want you to do number 1, number 2, and number 5. Pause the video, do those threes, and we'll come back and check them. All right, to do percentages, it's going to be is over of equals percent over 100. 24%, so 24 goes of 216. Notice it's 100 every time. There's my x. Cross multiply 100x, that's those two, equals 216 times 24, 5184, divided by 100. Again, I'm going to move my math so you can see it. 5184 divided by 100. Answer, 51.84. There's my answer. Okay, let's try the next one. I know you already have the question, so I'm just going to zoom in on what we can see. So is over of equals percent over 100. In the second question, it was 149% of 12. So my x is there. Same math. 100x equals 149 times 12 is 1788 divided by 100, 17.88. I bet you're getting these right. Okay? So percentages, plug it in to your formula is over of equals percent over 100. Last but not least, and again, you can back the video up to any of those questions that you think, okay, I'm not exactly sure how to do that. Let me try one more. You can try any of those. Last but not least, here's a word problem. Go ahead and do pause the video and do number 4, and then we'll come back. Okay, a book is on sale for 30% of its original price, $24. Okay, so we're going to do our fraction again. Is over of equals percent over 100. So the percentage is 30%. Got that. Of $24, what is the sale price? Okay, so I got to think about this. And how much did it ask me? How much did I save? No, what's the sale price? So I'm going to 100 minus 30 is 70. So I want to know what 70% of that cost is. My pen's down. I apologize. Let me jump in with another color. So I want to know I'm paying 70% of that. Okay, so what's the new sale price? So I'm going to cross multiply. That's 100x equals 24 times 70, 1680. Divided by 100, $16.80 is my answer. Let's see if that's logical. Is that a sale? Yes, I saved money from the 24. Is it over halfway? The 70% is above that. Halfway is 12, so it's above that. That's probably my answer. All right. There's some other percentages right there that you can try out. and see if you can get those percentages. You got to be careful. But again, ratios, proportions, percentages, they all work on setting up fraction equals fraction and solving.